I said to them, why do you still have your student driver sticker? And they were like, because I don't want people honking at me.
Meg, what are you getting?
Fat man's misery.
What are you getting, Jordan?
The German chocolate bar.
Nice.
$5. Wake up!
Hi.
We are coming to destroy you.
Day 2 at Mount Dora? 2. Jordan, no! No! No, Jordan, no! No!
Jeff Doyle.
Diane Matlin.
And I'm Bobby Weston.
You're the one that wanted to do this! I wanted to go to the hotel! Lakeside Inn, right here.
No, we could have gone and got more ice cream.
Okay, let's go back!
I've been involved with this organization for 25 years. I've gotten really involved in the forming of the festival, the growth of the festival in the last 6 years.
Every little thing gotta be alright.
Once a long, long time ago.
Hi. How you doing, Meg?
Great.
Just gonna do a video of Sylvia sing.
I'm not here to lie to you. I definitely did not put my name in the box. It was one of my friends.
What do you love the most about the Mount Dora Storytelling Festival?
Oh, I love this venue because I love the historical atmosphere and the beauty all around us.
Working with the storytellers that I've had and having you guys in the audience.
I think it's the human connection, like it's just the human connection for sure.